Tomatoes, the king of container gardening. Tomatoes are one of the most popular vegetables to grow in pots across the United States. They adapt extremely well to containers because their roots grow deep rather than wide. In warm states like California, Texas, and Florida, tomatoes thrive on balconies and patios with full sunlight. Even in cooler regions, cherry and patio tomato varieties perform very well in pots during summer. Growing tomatoes in containers allows you to control soil quality, which is critical for healthy fruit production. A deep pot with good drainage prevents root diseases and improves airflow. Tomatoes grown in pots also experience fewer pests compared to ground gardens. With consistent watering and sunlight, you can harvest fresh tomatoes throughout the season. For beginners, container tomatoes provide fast results and visible growth, making them rewarding and confidence-boosting. Fast and perfect for small spaces. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables to grow in pots, especially in the USA's cooler spring and fall seasons. It grows quickly and does not require deep containers, making it ideal for apartments and balconies. Lettuce performs best in mild temperatures and partial sunlight, which makes it suitable for northern states as well as shaded areas in warmer climates. One of the biggest advantages of growing lettuce in pots is continuous harvesting. You can cut outer leaves and allow the plant to keep growing. Container gardening also protects lettuce from soil-borne pests and excessive moisture. Because lettuce matures fast, usually within a few weeks, it keeps gardeners motivated. Whether you grow romaine, leaf, or butterhead varieties, lettuce offers fresh, homegrown salads with minimal effort. Peppers, heat-loving and productive. Peppers grow exceptionally well in containers and love the warm climate found in many parts of the United States. Bell peppers and chili peppers both adapt easily to pot gardening. Containers warm up faster than ground soil, which helps pepper plants grow faster and produce more fruit. Growing peppers in pots gives you flexibility. You can move them indoors during unexpected cold nights or place them in direct sunlight during cooler days. With proper watering and feeding, pepper plants can produce continuously throughout the growing season. They also stay compact, making them ideal for patios and decks. In states with long summers, container peppers can produce dozens of fruits from a single plant, making them one of the most productive vegetables for small spaces. Spinach, cool weather container, favorite. Spinach is a cool season vegetable that grows beautifully in pots, especially in the northern and coastal regions of the USA. It prefers mild temperatures and partial sunlight, which makes it perfect for spring and fall container gardening. Spinach does not need deep soil, allowing it to thrive in shallow pots and window boxes. Growing spinach in containers helps prevent bolting caused by heat stress. You can easily move pots into shaded areas when temperatures rise. Container spinach also stays cleaner and is easier to harvest than ground-grown plants. With regular watering and trimming, spinach can be harvested multiple times. For health-conscious gardeners, pot-grown spinach provides fresh, nutrient-rich leaves without the need for chemicals or large garden beds. Radishes, fastest-growing vegetable in pots. Radishes are one of the fastest vegetables you can grow in containers. From seed to harvest, many varieties mature in less than a month. This makes radishes perfect for beginners and those who want quick results. They grow best in cooler temperatures, making them ideal for spring and fall in most USA states. Because radishes have shallow roots, they grow very well in small pots. Container gardening prevents soil compaction, allowing radishes to form smooth and healthy roots. Radishes also require minimal care, just sunlight and regular watering. Their rapid growth makes them great for kids and first-time gardeners. In limited spaces, radishes provide fresh, crunchy harvests with very little effort. Green onions grow from kitchen scraps. Green onions are unique because they can grow even without seeds. You can regrow them from kitchen scraps, making them one of the easiest vegetables to grow in pots. In the USA climate, green onions grow well both indoors and outdoors year-round in many regions. They require very little space and can grow in small containers on windowsills or balconies. Green onions grow quickly and can be harvested repeatedly by cutting the green tops. Container gardening keeps them accessible and protected from pests. This vegetable is perfect for beginners, renters, and anyone looking to reduce grocery costs. With minimal care, Green onions provide continuous fresh flavor for cooking. Carrots, surprisingly good for deep pots. Many people believe carrots need open ground, but they grow surprisingly well in deep containers. Short and medium carrot varieties are ideal for pot gardening. In the USA, carrots grow best in cooler seasons and can be planted in containers during spring or fall. Growing carrots in pots allows better control over soil texture, which is essential for straight roots. Loose, stone-free soil prevents deformities. Containers also make harvesting easier and cleaner. With proper sunlight and moisture, container carrots develop sweet flavor and crisp texture. For gardeners with limited space, carrots in pots are a practical and rewarding choice. Cucumbers, vertical growth in containers. Cucumbers are excellent container vegetables when grown vertically. Using a trellis or support allows cucumber vines to grow upward, saving space. In warm USA climates, cucumbers thrive in pots placed in sunny locations. Container gardening helps control soil moisture and reduces disease risk. Vertical growth improves air circulation and produces cleaner fruit. Compact cucumber varieties perform especially well in pots and provide high yields. With regular watering and feeding, container cucumbers produce continuously throughout summer. They are perfect for patios, balconies, and small gardens where space is limited. Beans, high yield in small pots. Beans are one of the most productive vegetables you can grow in pots, making them perfect for small spaces in the USA. Both bush beans and pole beans adapt well to container gardening. Bush beans are especially beginner-friendly because they stay compact and do not require much support. They grow quickly and start producing within a few weeks of planting. Container-grown beans benefit from warm temperatures and full sunlight, which are common across many U.S. states during spring and summer. Pots also allow better soil drainage, preventing root rot and fungal diseases. If you use a trellis, whole beans can grow vertically, producing a large harvest in very little space. Beans are low maintenance, require minimal feeding, and reward gardeners with continuous harvests. For anyone looking to grow vegetables in pots efficiently, beans are a smart and reliable choice. Zucchini, big harvest from one pot. Zucchini is a highly productive vegetable that grows very well in large containers. Although the plant looks big, it adapts perfectly to pot gardening when given enough space and sunlight. In the USA climate, zucchini thrives during warm spring and summer months, especially in states with long growing seasons. Growing zucchini in pots helps control pests and soil-borne diseases that often affect ground-grown plants. A single zucchini plant can produce a large number of fruits, making it extremely rewarding for container gardeners. Using a large pot with good drainage allows the roots to spread properly and supports healthy growth. With consistent watering and full sun exposure, zucchini plants grow fast and begin producing within weeks. For small space gardeners, zucchini proves that even one pot can deliver a generous harvest.